morning, everyone.
We have some new birds. Again, more new birds. It had to start raining as soon as I came out. It's been nice all day except for now. So we're going to do two things today. We are going to, I'm going to show you the new birds, because I got some new birds, hilarious. And I'm also going to I'm not necessarily going to manage, but I'm going to try and fix the muddy bit in front of the door. Yeah, so I'll show you the new birds now. Excited. Now you're probably thinking, I don't see any new birds. I just see this same old birds you've had since they hatched 3 weeks ago. But I can tell you something. There are some new birds. Amazing new birds. So we gotta find them first. Okay, we've got them. Not gonna let you see them yet because I've got to take them into good lighting to show you. So here they are. Got a bunch of silky chicks. 5 to be exact. So they look pretty different. They've got a wee fatty blob on their head. It's like a really fatty kind of blob. They're blue. Their skin is very purple, black kind of colour. And this one, he's got a wee squint beak. His beak's a little bit, or her beak's a wee bit squint. But she's fine. And another thing, silkies, they must have an extra toe. I didn't know this. An extra toe on their foot. It's the wee toe, it's an extra one. They've all got it, which is amazing. Anyway, so that's them. I've got 5 of them. This is not the morning, this is like lunchtime. It's about 1:30. So, when I said good morning, I didn't mean it in the way that it's morning, so good morning. And this rain doesn't look like it's passing. So we may have to be working in the rain. And it's better I do it now before the rain waterlogs the ground.
Right,
so we've got to hurry up and do the stuff at the back of the shed. I'll show you the mud and everything, and yeah, sort of see if I can fix it enough so that I don't have to keep clearing them out with a spade. Because I keep having to... Oh, Peter, shush! Get out! Come on. Out! Get out! Out! And go away. Thank you. Okay. Okay, we'll just go black for a minute. So, we're just enough. Now we can see. Right. Okay, so I don't know if you can see here. It's getting pretty muddy. If you go like this. But yesterday was quite dry, which means the mud has hardened up a wee, which is really good. So yeah, here, look at this. It's just muddy. That's maybe, but yeah. So there's a wee bit of carpet here. It's a carpet square. I should maybe take it out and just clean it. Yeah, watch it up here. There you go, carpet square. Ooh. I always turn it the wrong way. Da-da-da-da, ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Here it is. We got it. My carefully washed carpet. But there, let's see. Biggest bit here. There we go. Not necessarily for humans to walk on, but it'll work for hens. Okay, this next step is really to put it here. So the hens won't come in with wet feet. There we go. Looks fine to me. That'll hopefully work. Temporary, but then again, it might not be temporary. Also, we need to find something here for the path. Maybe some rocks. Ooh, perfect. Look what I found. This will do for the wee bit just before the gate. And that will do for the bit just inside the gate. Don't know if the gate's going to open or close. Now this one's next. Okay. Moment of truth. Will this close? What about open though? That's another thing. Okay. The chicken wire at the bottom didn't catch. Now. What about open? Great. It opens and it closes. That's all I need. And I need to deal with my front door now to the shed, which will be simple. We'll just pop a couple of carpet squares just there. It's just here, see. Now I've got a doormat. Oh, here, okay. That's what it's like outside the door. Not so wet back there, so it should be okay. So, I hope you enjoyed that video. We are done. Yeah. So, next video after this one is probably going to be me putting the chicks out of the guinea pig cage with all the older birds. So that's a huge step for the chicks. So that'll be in my next video. And yeah, I'll probably do that when they're maybe 5 weeks old, which is in 2 weeks, or 4 weeks old, which is in 1 week. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Bye.
It's obviously the end of the video, but I'm not good at ending videos. I'm like, I don't know.